noodles, buns, soups, and dumplings. Fresh, hot, delicious homemade dumplings. They're the dishes that make up the menu at an interesting new restaurant in Weston, Massachusetts named Dumpling Daughter.
Thank you everybody for coming.
But to Nadia Spellman, they're more than just recipes, they're memories.
You know, what really brings me back to my true happiness is my mom's home cooking. I grew up loving food and being surrounded by the best food. I was really spoiled by good food. The goal of Dumpling Daughter is really to share this delicious food.
Family dinners were anything but typical when Nadia was growing up because her mother just happens to be Sally Ling, the world-famous restaurateur who introduced gourmet Chinese food to Greater Boston back in the early 1980s.
Obviously, all my children are brought up by eating the best Chinese food. But when they come home from school, and all they ask is mommy's cooking, dumplings or noodles.
The reason why we wanted to name it Dumpling Daughter is because I am the daughter of Sally Ling. So Dumpling Daughter is Sally Ling's daughter's dumpling shop.
Unlike her mom's restaurants, Nadia made her place very casual. Customers can order at the counter, bring their own beer or wine, and either grab something quick or sit and savor over several courses.
The local community can all meet and enjoy great food at their own pace. So I think it's just a great place that you can sit, eat, relax, and order as you go. There's no one pressuring you to leave or give you a check.
Dumplings are certainly the star attraction here, and they're a tradition that goes back a bit further than Nadia's childhood.
Dumplings are dating back to 5,000 years ago. Chinese people were the first to make dumplings, which are also called raviolis, pot stickers. Our dumplings are made according to my mother's recipes.
I make from scratch. I make the dough first and I let it sit for an hour, and then I will show you how I wrap the dumpling.
Every single dumpling has a different intention. The skin is of a different thickness, it's prepared a different way, and the filling on each one is different.
There's the traditional home-style pork and chive dumplings from Beijing, and petite chicken dumplings with a slow-cooked Sichuan sauce. And as for the age-old question of whether to get the dumpling steamed or pan-fried, it really just depends on your mood.
So a steamed dumpling is really just very mouthfeel friendly. They're soft, they're warm. It's really just comforting to eat. Whereas the pan-seared one is more exciting, a little bit more fun because there's a little bit more oil content. It's pan-seared crispy.
For something even crispier, check out the panko-crusted chicken katsu served in a family-style rice bowl with a drizzle of Japanese mayonnaise and fresh vegetables. There's also tender filet mignon with black pepper sauce, homemade chicken soup with Chinese goji berries, and a trendy bowl of ramen noodle soup.
Everybody has their own version, and this is ours. It takes 3 days to cook the broth. I love the bamboo, the crunch there. The ginger is a really pretty flavor to complement it, and of course the pork belly. Who doesn't love thick cut bacon?
Customers also seem to love the traditional steamed buns here, like the fluffy and sweet barbecue beef bun and the Taiwanese taco-style bun with crispy chicken. The velvety butter miso noodles are a big hit with the kids, and Grandma's Beijing meat sauce is popular with kids of all ages.
That is the dish that my grandmother used to make us whenever we would visit her. When people think meat sauce, they think Italian bolognese. This meat sauce is so different. It's a tofu base with bean paste and pork. It's sweet, but it's also savory. There's onion, garlic. It's actually simpler than you think, and I think that that's why we love it so much.
And since so much of Dumpling Daughter is a tribute to nostalgia, it's no surprise that Sally Ling's famous spring rolls are a customer favorite.
Sally Ling's vegetable spring rolls are one of the top selling items in Sally Ling's history. I know from working there for over 10 years that with every order, people get Sally Ling's spring rolls. Honestly, better than all the other spring rolls I've ever had.
Special cabbage, black mushrooms, carrots, and saute the stuffing and make it very fresh.
Everything we do for the spring roll is from scratch, and we roll them fresh every day.
From Grandma's meat sauce to Mom's spring rolls to this Dumpling Daughter, food and family go together like ginger and scallions.
My mom used to always say that the restaurant was her dining room to entertain, and I love having friends here, family here. I want everyone to feel like it's a family-style place. I feel like we work as a family, and we work really hard to bring that feeling to the families that come in.